Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x power 6 minus x power 3 is equal to 2. To find the values of x from this equation, says that x is element of a real number. Now, solution. In the first step, we'll take this 2 to the left side. So it will be this, which is x power 6 minus x power 3. We take 2 to this side, it will be minus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, x power 6, we make to have common x power 3. So x power 6 is same as x power 3 bracket square. Then minus this x power 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, x power 3 is common. So we will let y is equal to x power 3. Then our equation will be y square. So here y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this quadratic equation, it can be solved by grouping and factorization. Now from the product, which is this constant, which is negative 2. Now product is negative 2 and sum is coefficient of y, which is negative 1. So here negative 1. Now to the product, to get negative 2 is a product of negative 2 times 1. And to get the sum of negative 1, it is the sum of negative 2 plus 1. So we'll use negative 2 and 1. Now from this here, this will split. So it will be y square negative y is same as negative 2y plus y. Then minus this 2 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, from here y is common. So we'll take y out of bracket. Y squared divided by y is y. Negative 2y divided by y is negative 2 bracket. Then plus, into here we'll take 1 out of bracket. Y divided by 1, it is y. Negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here, y minus 2 is common. So we'll take y minus 2 bracket out of bracket. This divided by y minus 2, it is y. This divided by y minus 2, it is 1. So it will be plus 1 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here, we have two solutions. Whereas this first solution, y minus 2 is equal to 0. And second solution is this y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here, we'll take negative 2 to this side, it will be y is equal to 2. And here we'll take 1 to this side, it will be y is equal to negative 1. Then after I get the values of y, we recall before we let y, it is x power 3. So but y is equal to x power 3. Also in here, y is equal to x power 3. Then we compare these two equations with y. So it will be x power 3 is equal to 2. So it will be x power 3 is equal to 2. Then to find the value of x, we'll apply cube root in both sides. So this cube root, you cancel this power 3, then it will be x is equal to cube root of 2. Now into exponent, it will be x is equal to cube root is same as power of 1 over 3. So it will be 2 power of 1 over 3. So this is one of the value of x in this problem. X is equal to 2 power of 1 over 3. Now to solve from this second solution here, we'll compare these two equations. So it will be x power 3 is equal to negative 1. So right here, x power 3 is equal to negative 1. Then we'll take negative 1 to this side. So it will be x power 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then here it will be x power 3 plus 1 is same as 1 power 3 is equal to 0. Now from here in the left side is in the form of a perfect cube. So we'll apply a perfect cube rule in this form. Whereas this is in the form of a power 3 plus b power 3 is equal to a plus b bracket bracket a square minus ab plus b square bracket. Whereas when we compare a power 3 with x power 3, a it is x, and when you compare b power 3 with 1 power 3, b it is 1. Then we'll apply this form here. So a plus b, it will be x plus 1. So here it will be x plus 1 bracket, then times a square, it will be x square, then minus a times b, it will be x times 1, which is x, plus b square, it will be 1 square, which is 1, bracket is equal to this 0. Then from here we have two solutions, where this first solution, which is x plus 1, is equal to 0, and this second solution, which is x square minus x plus 1, is equal to 0. Then from here we'll take 1 to this side, so it will be x is equal to negative 1. So this is the second value of x in this our problem. X is equal to negative 1. Now from this, to solve from this quadratic equation, note that the value of x should be a real number. Now here we'll check if it will give a real solution by using the determinant formula, which is determinant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then it will be determinant is equal to b square, coefficient of x is negative 1, so it will be negative 1 bracket square minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 1. So it will be determinant is equal to negative 1 square is 1, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So it will be determinant is equal to 1 minus 4 is negative 3, whereas negative 3 it is less than 0, which is negative number. So if the determinant is negative, then there is no real solution. Therefore, we have only two values of x, which is x is 2 power of 1 over 3, and x is equal to negative 1. Now to prove, from our problem, which was x power 6 minus x power 3 is equal to 2, let's prove for this value here. So x here, it is 2 power of 1 over 3, then bracket this power of 6 minus x, it is 2 power of 1 over 3, then bracket this power of 3, is it equal to this 2. Now here to simplify, here to be by 1, here by 2, so it will be 2 power of 2, then minus, here to simplify, this will cancel and this will cancel, it will be 2 power of 1, which is 2, is it equal to this 2. Then here 2 power of 2, it is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, whereas this 2 is equal to 2, left side and right side are equal, then it is true for the value of x, it is 2 power of 1 over 3. Now let's check for this value here, x is equal to negative 1. From our problem, which was x power 6 minus x power 3 is equal to 2, we substitute negative 1 here, so it will be negative 1 bracket power of 6 minus negative 1 bracket power of 3, is it equal to this 2. Then negative 1 power of 6, negative 1 power of even number, it is positive 1, minus negative 1 power of 3, negative 1 power of odd number is negative 1, is it equal to this 2. Then from here, it will be positive, so 1 plus 1 is 2, is equal to 2. Now left side and right side are equal, then it is true for x is equal to negative 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.